Well, congratulations, Amit. Once again, fabulous show. And you too, you absolutely look beautiful. Tell me the process of making this beautiful piece on her.
I think the process is Sharvari herself. I think when the inspiration is so strong, I think a creator's job becomes literally down to zero. I think Sharvari and I have been wanting to do this together for a really long time. I think what she wears epitomizes the person she is, the craft and the future of the craft that she brings to the table. And I think that today, the mix of heritage with the traditional, the Banarsi and the polymer actually really redefines everything that she is as a person.
He said future of the craft, and we do see this beautiful incorporation of Banarsi. What is craft to you?
You know, today, in fact, Amit sir and I were talking about something during fittings, and I've always loved a story, and I think that I always love when there is a story behind just optics. And he was telling me about how they are preserving our Indian heritage by taking these Banarasi textiles, upscaling them, and making them into couture. And I think that it's incredible because it's on, you know, they make things on global platforms. They make our country proud, and I think craft is something that we should all be very proud of. And I think it's like a personal style, personal statement. And in fact, I loved wearing this outfit tonight. And thank you so much, sir, for saying such kind words and honestly to believing in me and just giving me this opportunity. I was really happy.
Pleasure is all ours. Trust me.
Well, you look beautiful, and sir, once again, brilliant job. Thank you so much. Thank you.